Hello, Keisha West here. Let's talk about the single member LLC. In the last video, we discussed the sole proprietorship. But the single member LLC is a business entity type that's ran by one person. The LLC stands for a limited liability company. And the limited liability is a form of protection for your personal assets. So the good thing about this business entity type is that you do have a level of protection in regards to your personal assets, where when we discuss the sole proprietorship, there's no protection for your personal assets. The single member LLC, you cannot receive, funds for partners or anyone else because this is solely ran by one person. When you file your taxes for this business entity type, you're going to file it on a Schedule C. So there's no different tax return that you have to do, but there are additional documents that has to be filled out for this business entity type. But you are going to be considered a sole proprietor in the eyes of the IRS. No, you're not a sole proprietor, but for tax purposes, they automatically classify you as a sole proprietor when you are a single member LLC. So as I stated, the pros to being a single member LLC, just a LLC period, is that level of protection that you're going to have of your assets. You want to open up that business bank account because now you are different from your business. So you're going to have that personal account as well as that business account because you're separate from your business and you want to start operating your business separately. So open up that business bank account and begin to operate out of that. So just a recap, single member LLC is ran by one person and you do have to register this business entity type with your state of secretary. Also, you want to get an EIN number, which is the employer identification number. This number will be used when you file your taxes. So you want to go on the IRS website and obtain an EIN number, or you can also hire a company to do this for you as well. All right, guys, there's nothing, much to the single member LLC for you all to remember other than it's ran by one person. It is considered a sole proprietorship in the eyes of the IRS, but there is a level of asset protection. Your personal assets are protected under the single member LLC. And also, when you're filing your taxes, you are going to file your business income and losses on that Schedule C form. This was Keisha West discussing the single member LLC. In the next video, we're going to talk about the multi-member LLC. All right, guys, talk with you later.